Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my garage. This continuation of dropping the subframe, this 08 Jeep Compass, four-wheel drive. So what we got right now is I've got the ball joints dropped from the lower control arms. I got the sway bar disconnected in the back. Then I wound up getting the power steering bolts out, and then I've got the rear mount here is disconnected too, because you can't get to that back. There's a mount bolt back there holding that in place. So that's where I'm currently at right now. Your subframe, your sway bars have got little tens on both sides here, and they're right there. 13s. What are these? No, excuse me, those are 16s too. Yeah, 16s. Alright, so that said, I gotta go up here, see if I got any more. Might have been that bracket. No, maybe not. I think the bracket's disconnected too. I don't know if somebody's been up in here already or not, because that mount bolt was loose. You know, I think, what's that? Oh, okay, that's that. I think I'm golden. I think I can drop. As you can see, what I got right now, I got this Daytona crossbeam right underneath it, and then it's sitting on the safety stand, and I got tension on it, and that works. I think that works great, because then I'll be able to lower it right down, and then I'll be able to yank it off of there. And then in the front, I got the other safety stand, and I've got the weight. Got some weight sitting on it from the transmission. Okay, so I'm gonna break. I still got to do this front mount, front engine mount here. It doesn't look like it's going all the way through. What is going on here? Why have I got a nut underneath the bolt? And it's not, it means that's not almost all the way through. I don't know, somebody's been in here prior to me. Kind of weird. And unfortunately that mount is broke there. I don't know if somebody tried to reach up there to weld it from here or what. It's hard to say. Okay, so I'm looking, I think I'm completely loose here. So I just gotta loosen this mount on this front here, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay, we're doing right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and we'll take this front mount bracket off. Nice and clean in there. Alright. These are 15s. Look how clean that is. Wow. The only thing losing is the roof on that thing. Okay, so this out of the way. Randy's sitting on the stand. Figure out what this thing is. That appears to be a 14. Okay. Where's my ratchet? See if I can get that out. Drop it down. See what's going on with it. Boom. they put a washer under it. Okay. Okay. Okay, now see that bolt come out. Okay, there we go. There's the front mount here. Let's get right up. I don't know what's going on with this. Why they had a washer and then that's set up. Huh. Huh. Other thing's weird is, you know how big that hole is. You know, this is missing, like it's missing its bushing. Oh. And then then they go put a freaking nut on it, and then they go put a washer on top of that. That ain't right. Okay, so I'm losing my life here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bust those loose. We're at that point. Got nuts. You covered the. Alright. I'm gonna twist that back because it's covering the. Yeah. No. No, it's just hollow. I thought it was covering a hole, but I'm not. So, I gotta go up to here. Okay, let's bust the bolts loose. What were those 20? I think they're 21s. Yeah. Yep. 21, and I need a deep. Oh, I need my long deep. That's long deep. Okay. Gotta go up to the swing arm right to it. There we go. Right. So how we do it? Maybe my big end. Don't know, but that's a good idea. So my glasses on, so I'm getting crap all in your eyes. Okay, so that's that front one. This way. Right. Ooh! You can do this by hand. Alright. Oh my. I'm using freaking foot long extension. Not that one. The back one. Back two, huh? Right here. Okay. Oh, yeah. That's the wrong one. Good one. I took this one completely down, which is alright. Actually, I take them all down because it's being supported by the crossbeam. broke loose, the finger tight. So we're all set here. Away you go. Okay. On that one. Take this one. Oh. Out. All right, we are loose. Loose. Completely loose. Okay, now I'm just going to drop it down. There shouldn't be anything holding it up there. Right? Subframe. What's going on? Okay, got a little bit. Bracket here. Okay, I got two little bracket. I got a bolt here, and I got a little pin thing being held by holding your power steering lines. So we're not completely released yet. Where's my? Okay, so that's the only thing holding me right now is just the power steering lines. I need a 10. Give me a 10. Bent up, can't get a socket on it. Why? Let's see if I pound it down just a little bit so I get my socket on it. Just one of those plastic push pins. Ah! Freaking light's dying on me. Not good. Well, plug it in and charge it every night. Keep the charger on it. Okay. Alright, save some time here. Okay, we're back. Okay, we had a little 10 bolt there. And this one over here, this one here holding this has got this little push pin deal. There you go. There. Now the power steering rack is completely released from this. So she should drop all the way down now. I got it balanced. She had it balanced pretty good on the beam here. Coming down. All right, rolling down between the two. There we go, boys and girls. We now have a disconnected subframe. Everything else is hanging. Better view now. Alright. That thing's disintegrated, huh? This, your boot. I have to see if I can get another arm for that. That's, what's this hanging on? Okay, that's being supported by your tie rod ends, so not a big deal. This thing come out now. Looky there. Alright. As you can see, this is broke off. While it's off, I guess I weld it. Weld it back up. That rubber looks like it's still in pretty good shape. So I'll do that before it goes back on. Which way I see a lot of leakage coming out of this boot here on this power steering rack. I got some over here too. Guess, boys and girls, I'm gonna have to replace that. Not what I want to do. Gotta go up and disconnect that boot up there, huh? This would be the perfect time to do it when you ain't got a subframe here, huh? Means your tie rod ends is gonna have to be aligned. So, alrighty. That's where we're at. Alright, so you got a couple bolts here and there, and I'm basically done for the day. It's Sunday, and I want to get this disconnected. I need new boots for that swing. I want to make a quick thank you to Redneck Rickham for taking us through the steps here. He was complaining about rust. Dude, I got you by 100% when it comes to rust. Canada's got nothing compared to a little lower down the road with this mess here. But anyway, alright, so thanks for watching today, and we'll get this back up. I got the new one sitting right over there. What I am waiting for is the control arms that I ordered for it through Detroit Axle. I wish I'd gone through a little further, because for another $100 I could have got the rack. And tie rod ends with it. So I'm gonna have to probably buy that separate, or run to Wilbert's and see if I can get another rack for it. So there we are. This is also I've also got to replace the driver's side drive shaft, because it's that boot's shot on that. I get on there. Also should get on there and find out what a new oil pan is going to cost, because that's going pretty soon too. Also in that kit, it was $189 from what I saw. It's also got your stabilizer links. I may even need a stabilizing bar too. Man, it's not good. At least the motor runs. And I even looked at the rear suspension. So that's basically what I'm replacing, is the entire suspension. Struts aren't leaking, but not good. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next Dana's Garage.